Good afternoon and welcome to Kevin's Live here in Dumbrody House. Today we are doing a Jambon, which is like normally it's a hand Jambon, but today we're actually putting black pudding and hand together. You know, it was a National Jambon Day a few days ago, so we just wanted to celebrate. It's something that sells all over Ireland. But the first thing we're going to do is make a bechamel sauce. So we're going to put a little bit of butter, and then we're going to put a little bit of flour in there.
What would be the ratio for flour butter you like to
It's 50-50, so it's like if it's 25 grams of butter, it's 25 grams of flour. That's called a roux. So you see there, and then we're just going to add in a little bit of milk there. Put in a little bit at a time. If you put it all in together, you'll never get the lumps out. But if you build it up slowly, you'll end up with a completely smooth bechamel sauce. So when it gets to
Could you use any leftover of this bechamel for anything specific or?
yeah, it works really well in lasagna or masak or anything like that. We're going to put a little bit of cheese in there as well. So that's just a cheddar cheese. We can add some ham in there. Mix that up. Some black pudding.
And if you don't have black pudding, could you use something similar or?
You could use white pudding. You can just use ham. A little bit of shallots here, so we just put a little bit of shallots in there as well. Okay, the trick now is just let that cool down, because if you put that into the pastry, it'll just like the pastry will just like start dissolving down. So you can see here we've got puff pastry, and we just cut it into a square. So put a dollop of that in the center of the square. We've just put egg wash on there. Just put a little bit more now on around the edges. A little bit of cheese on top of that. And then it's just like pinched up, like so. And I just kind of pinched there, because I kind of wanted to. You don't want to seal it completely, because you kind of want it to open up a little bit. It's going to go into the air fryer on a baked mode for 15 minutes. And we look at those. They are perfect. Oh, I'm hot. These would be very hard to resist. They have, I'd even taste them now. They're a little bit too hot straight out of the air fryer. So enjoy this one, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Take care.